What's going on, guys? This is Eizy from Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspire. This is my first vlog for this YouTube channel, and first thing first, Happy New Year 2021 to all of you. We already say goodbye to the year of 2020. It was the worst year, and hopefully we will get a better one this year, even though the pandemic is still going on. And we need to stay strong, we need to stay healthy, and we need to stay safe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for keep supporting my work, my custom build, and everything that I did, especially on my Facebook page, Eizy Customizer, and also this YouTube channel. Thank you for the like, subscribe, comments, and follows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, all those 4. And this is actually regarding on my Facebook page. If you guys ever noticed that my last post was on December 24th, just before Christmas. My last post was the video on my custom build, and just after that, Facebook notified me this where I have some limitation, or Facebook are blocking me creating new contents temporary within 90 days, and this is because of some violation that I did. So they are blocking me from creating new contents, such as uploading new videos, creating new status or posts, and also I cannot make a new album, I cannot upload new pictures, I cannot do anything, except you guys can still commenting on my posts, my old posts, and also send me some messages. I still can reply them, but I cannot make a new contents for my Facebook page. Eizy Customizer, the Facebook page is still there. You can view my old contents, you can watch my old videos, but I cannot make a new post, I cannot update new contents on that Facebook page. So basically that is my limitation there. So within 90 days I should get back my Facebook page on March 2021. So within that time, I will use my own Facebook profile to share my latest content, such as my new videos, my recent projects. You guys can follow me on my Facebook profile. The link is in this description down below. You guys can follow or add me as friends. I would love to become your friend. Make a second Facebook page. Nah, I'm not planning to create another Facebook page because this is just a temporary limitation within 90 days, and planning to create a new one, nah, I'm not planning to create a new one. I just want to make use of my own Facebook profile. So instead of my Facebook profile, I will make new videos, new videos for this YouTube channel too, and also you can follow me on Instagram as well. Next is, I would like to introduce you my new logo, official logo for 2021, changing from the Eizy Customizer, the existing logo, to my new one here, using my own custom build, the Glaive Adeltrad as my logo. So this is my new logo for this year, and hopefully you guys like it. So that's all my announcement for this vlog, a very short one. I'm not planning to make a longer video. So hopefully you guys can still supporting me even though without my Facebook page updated. I think within 3 months from now. So just follow me on my Facebook profile, my Instagram, and also my YouTube channel too. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you guys next time in the next video, and also on my next artwork too. So that's all the video for today. Thank you.